Yeah, the order there is like do cooldown, go in, press duty action, then dome.
Then nothing. Yeah.
Then Jesus take the wheel.
Jesus, take the wheel.
It's not how the song goes, but okay.
I'm doing a remix.
Can you move the boss a little bit more up?
Yeah.
Oh fuck. I guess I should move. Ah, medic!
That was nice, Coco. Like, I mean that entirely sincerely.
I totally did not pay
Grab
attention.
an orb.
I was like, why is everybody leaving? Oh.
Cloud. Position. Knockback. Dotted line. DR. You're ready to...
Nice.
Grab an orb. Rie, where are you?
Ah, I thought.
Oh
It's okay.
no! Oh yes! Nice.
And next up is Donut.
Tech step. I have tech step up.
I have chamber.
Donut.
I pretty much always line with yours.
It didn't go off. Whatever.
chain lightning.
Should I give it to Coco first, or are we?
I'm getting it first from.
You can give it to me.
I'll move it.
Judgment Bolt coming up. Summon.
Okay.
Get an orb.
Well, remember this thing's gonna. Yeah, never mind.
This is the DDR and step
Uh-oh.
3. Oh my god, why is everyone running?
That was the greediest Swift I've done in a while.
Get ready to move. Move.
Watch it, so he's probably gonna die.
I'm trying to keep him alive.
Well, he has healing down.
Tech step coming up soon.
Get an orb.
LB3.
Okay. 1 second.
Oh my god. Whatever.
This were, yeah, Coco and GS.
Come to me.
No,
Oh!
So we
I
got
still how I still.
You probably need to sprint.
Yeah.
Because I'm all the
You're
way
lava
up
leg.
Yeah.
south.
If you want, I
Wait
can
for
orb
me
it
to
with you.
come up.
Get an orb.
Yeah,
No,
orb
come
after.
Don't come up.
Yeah, come up after the vault.
Yep.
And everyone get to thundercloud positions.
Yep.
Need to get an orb first.
Knock back.
Get ready for chain light.
Right after this. Or it should be right after this. Could be step, no.
Hey,
Chain lightning.
Remember at the end of this.
Rita, go get it. Okay, you're not getting it. Okay.
I was. Yeah, sorry.
It's fine. Judgment Bolt.
Oh shit! Kill me!
Get an orb.
We're fine.
This is donut.
Oh yeah, this is donut.
there we go.
Stay away.
Okay, I'll come up as soon as this is done.
Yep. Come up.
I'm hard raising Coco.
Grab an orb.
It's gonna be spam. I'm gonna grab one as soon as I finish this res.
I don't have enough
You-
HP.
Come up.
I'm trying to heal you. Okay, you're good.
What? How did it?
Normal bolt coming up.
My idol.
Tech step.
Sticky stuff.
Grab an orb.
Yep. normal one.
Another normal one.
Big heal.
Oh shit!
I think that should be it.
Yeah, that should be it.
Just
Get
get
DPS.
no more outgoing damage.
Do you think we'll get an LB2?
I don't know.
No, just LB it.
Okay.
LB1.
We should have it with the so
Yeah, we should kill this.
Oh, come on.
Nice.
Come on. Yeah. Hey!
Did I get an achievement?
Do we get that photo this time or what?
Yeah! Photo.
Well, let's do the loot first.
It's already got loot the last time